If you no longer want to follow someone on Snapchat, don't worry, it is extremely simple to unfollow them. However, you can only do it from the mobile app. You can't do it from the browser or desktop app version. So let's go over exactly how you can do it the easiest way. And it works pretty much the same way on both Android and on iOS. So here's how you do it. What you want to do is go into the Stories tab and then tap on those three dots at the very top. From there, you'll see an option to manage followed accounts, so just tap into there. After that, you'll be given a full list of accounts you currently follow, so tap on the one you want to unfollow. From there, you'll see a added button in the middle, so you simply tap on that and then confirm it once a confirmation pop-up comes up, and there you go, you will unfollow them. So as you can see, it is super simple to do. However, another thing that a lot of people worry about is if the person you are unfollowing receives some kind of notification that you unfollowed them or any other indicator. And don't worry, there is no notification sent at all to the person you are unfollowing. The only way that they will know that you unfollowed them is if they go into the followers list and see that you are no longer there. So that's literally the only way that they could find out. Otherwise, no notifications, nothing is sent at all. So that's not something you have to worry about. So that is exactly how you can unfollow someone on the Snapchat app. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.